Could the sweetness you love actually be harming your body? Every teaspoon of sugar in your coffee, tea, or dessert is secretly impacting your health, and most people don't even realize it. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you 6 natural alternatives that are just as sweet, but actually good for your body. Let's start with the truth about white sugar. It tastes sweet, but it comes with hidden costs. Sugar is high in calories, and when your body doesn't burn it immediately, it stores it as fat. That's why high sugar intake is one of the main reasons for weight gain and obesity. Frequent sugar consumption spikes blood sugar. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Even foods that seem healthy, like flavored yogurts or energy bars, often have added sugar. Too much sugar can raise triglycerides, a type of fat in your blood. High triglycerides increase the risk of heart disease. Sugar can also elevate blood pressure, affecting your heart over time. Sugar feeds the harmful bacteria in your mouth, producing acid that erodes enamel, causing cavities and tooth decay. This is why dentists always warn about sweets. Sugar gives a quick energy boost, but it doesn't last. Soon after, your blood sugar drops, leaving you tired, moody, and craving more sugar. This cycle repeats itself daily for many people. So, if sugar is causing all these problems, what can we use instead? Let's explore 6 natural alternatives that satisfy your sweet tooth safely. Let's start with coconut sugar. Ever tried it? It comes from the sap of coconut palm trees. Unlike white sugar, it won't spike your blood sugar as fast, so you avoid that sudden energy crash. It even contains tiny amounts of minerals like zinc, potassium, magnesium, and iron, little bonuses your body will love. You can use it in baking, coffee, tea, or even sprinkle it over oatmeal. It tastes a lot like brown sugar, with a subtle caramel flavor. Here's a tip. Combine coconut sugar with cinnamon or nutmeg in your morning oats. It's like dessert for breakfast, but healthy. Mix coconut sugar with melted butter and a few chopped nuts as a topping for roasted sweet potatoes. It adds flavor, sweetness, and some crunch. Have you tried coconut sugar yet? Comment below if you have, or let me know if you want to try this tip in your breakfast tomorrow. Next up, honey. Nature's original sweetener. It's rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and even tiny enzymes that help your digestion. It's perfect for tea, yogurt, smoothies, and even salad dressings. Honey is sweeter than sugar, so start with less. Taste, then adjust. Mix honey with cinnamon in your oatmeal or on toast. Not only does it taste amazing, it keeps you full longer. Always use raw honey if possible. It keeps the nutrients intact, unlike processed honey. Try a warm drink with honey, ginger, and lemon first thing in the morning. It's soothing, wakes you up gently, and gives your immune system a little boost. Do you usually take honey in tea or coffee? Tell me in the comments, I'd love to know. Now, let's talk about jaggery. Ever heard of it? Also called gur, it's made from sugarcane juice. Unlike white sugar, jaggery keeps its iron, calcium, magnesium, and other minerals. It's rich, earthy, and sweet, a real treat for your taste buds. Add jaggery to warm milk for a comforting drink. Grate some and mix with nuts and seeds to make homemade energy bars or laddus. Healthy, natural, and filling. Eat a small piece of jaggery after meals, it can aid digestion naturally. Make jaggery ginger tea by boiling water with jaggery and fresh ginger. Sweet, warming, and good for your tummy. Who's tried jaggery tea before? It's a game changer, I promise. Stevia is a 0-calorie sweetener from a plant. It's hundreds of times sweeter than sugar, so a tiny bit goes a long way. The best part? It won't spike your blood sugar, so it's great for diabetics or anyone cutting calories. Start with a small amount, too much can taste bitter. Liquid stevia is great for drinks, powdered stevia is better for baking. Mix a little erythritol with it if you want a more sugar-like texture. Make a refreshing lemonade with water, lemon juice, and a few drops of stevia. Sweet, refreshing, and healthy. Have you ever tried stevia? Some people love it, some are unsure. I'd love to hear your experience below. Dates are nature's candy. They're naturally sweet, full of fiber, potassium, and antioxidants. They slow sugar absorption, so your blood sugar doesn't spike. Blend dates with a little water to make date paste, use it to replace sugar in muffins, cakes, or cookies. Make energy balls with dates, nuts, and cocoa. A perfect snack that keeps you full and energized. Chop dates into oatmeal or yogurt. They add sweetness and a little chewiness, which makes your breakfast so much more satisfying. Who loves dates? Comment yes if you do. And if not, maybe it's time to give them a try. Misery, or rock sugar, is less refined than white sugar. It provides gentle sweetness, perfect for teas, milk drinks, or herbal tonics. Add a small piece to warm milk or tea, a soothing, naturally sweet drink. Mix misery with cardamom or saffron for a flavorful milk drink. Warm milk with misery, a pinch of turmeric, and cardamom, it's sweet, calming, and nourishing. Have you ever tried misery in your milk? It's a simple trick that tastes amazing. And don't forget fruits. Bananas, apples, berries, and mangoes are naturally sweet and packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Mash bananas for baking instead of sugar. Puree apples in muffins or pancakes. Add berries to yogurt or cereal for natural sweetness. Your body gets nutrients, not empty calories. Blend frozen berries with banana and a splash of milk for a naturally sweet smoothie. And there you have it, 6 amazing natural sweeteners plus fruits that can replace white sugar completely: coconut sugar, honey, jaggery, stevia, dates, misery, and of course, fresh fruits. Remember, sweetness doesn't have to be harmful. Your body can enjoy treats, just in a smarter, healthier way. Here's a tip: start small. Swap one sugar source at a time, maybe your morning coffee or your dessert. You'll notice the difference in your energy, mood, and even your health over time. So, which alternative are you going to try first? Coconut sugar in your pancakes? Dates in your oatmeal? Or maybe a comforting cup of jaggery milk tonight? Comment below and let me know, I'd love to hear your choice. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who loves sweets but wants to stay healthy. Stay sweet, the healthy way.